in countless spaces across the globe, and for endless eons of time. Humankind, with its curiosity for the unknown and a yearning for civilization, has ceaselessly developed the world in which we live. And today as well, through the passion and challenging spirit of creative and talented people, Daewoo ENC continues to change the world for a greater future. Through advanced technology, we create special, better spaces. This high-rise building, constructed on the coastline of Incheon, is strong enough to withstand even the most extreme changes in wind and temperature, and possesses an intelligent, controllable interior environment. This smart building demonstrates that the most important factor in futuristic architecture is not simply the scale of a space, but rather the functionality of space. It is now possible to cross the sea not just by bridges, but through undersea tunnels as well. This undersea immersed tunnel, linking Busan with Goje Island, is the deepest in the world at 48 meters. Measuring 180 meters in length and with 4 lanes going both ways, it was precision constructed using 18 massive concrete blocks without the slightest flaw. These roadways, which stretch above and below the sea, have overcome seemingly insurmountable natural obstacles through technology to connect an island with the Korean mainland. From the distant African continent to the Middle East, we have succeeded in building energy facilities, all because of our technological strength. In particular, large-scale gas storage facilities and various other projects of world-class scale required an even higher level of technology. In grand spaces on a vast continent filled with abundant natural resources, we have constructed huge complexes for generating clean energy. Superior technology renews spaces. And the advancement of the technology for recreating these spaces was made possible by ceaseless research and development. New technology is created by talented people. This building, imbued with the early history of Daewoo ENC, is today reborn as a world-class digital canvas. As our creative passion grows, beautiful buildings that combine function and design are created. And this high-rise structure, built by Daewoo ENC in Kuala Lumpur, has transformed the urban skyline as a symbol of the region, as it brings about harmony with people. We have traversed harsh and desolate lands and constructed highways. We have crossed rugged mountain ranges to build civilization, and all the while exceeding time and space to create new relationships and trust. Since long ago, in places all across the globe, we have been realizing meaningful change. Our numerous power-generating and energy plants in North Africa and the Middle East are transforming life on the continent and in the desert. Today, we are capable of executing even the largest and most complex projects, such as this vast power plant now under construction in the United Arab Emirates. But beyond financing and engineering, we are once again leading the way and taking on new challenges in the construction industry. And this trust and friendship, built up over long periods, is a precious asset that we would not trade for anything. With superior technology and a passion for creativity, we are challenging the future for the benefit of people. As with our brand Prugio, which means verdant nature, we believe that residential spaces should be as close to nature as possible. Our philosophy has changed the way that people think about housing and brought about an overall transformation in residential culture. We are now developing futuristic homes so that people will be able to live conveniently and comfortably while using minimal energy resources. The Shihua Lake Tidal Power Generation Plant, one of the largest of its type in the world, produces limitless energy simply by using high and low tidal forces. Such eco-friendly power facilities provide the answer to the question of what energy needed for the future looks like. In the most alternative area of nuclear power generation, which requires the highest level of technology, we have completed the safest and most efficient facilities possible. Daewoo ENC, having grown hand in hand along with the Korean economy, and based on the successful completion of large-scale SOC projects requiring advanced technology and quality, is now ready to share even more ambitious dreams with the global community. Advanced technology that changes the world. True passion of talented people for realizing change. And a never-ending spirit of challenge for a greater future. As a leader in the construction industry, Daewoo ENC's drive to transform the world anew will continue on into the future as always.